Allahu, 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 Allah, Allah.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today I'm going to tell you few sunnahs for yawning. Number 1, one should try to suppress yawns. Number 2, it's better to cover mouth with hands. Number 3, the Prophet Muhammad said, Allah loves sneezing but dislikes yawning. Thank you for listening. Hudafis.
Allah.